how to add response headers to your webhook in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add a response header in your webhook in your n8n workflow. So for that, simply let me add a webhook node. So I'm going to type in webhook, and as you can see, I have added a webhook node. Now from here, if you wish to include the headers, you need to click onto this add option button. And once you click, you can see all of these different types of options. And from here, you can see this response headers at the last. Simply click onto it, and from here, click add response header. And from here, you can simply name your response header and the value as well. And then click onto this add response header, and now you can see that the response header has been successfully added for this webhook. If it is an already existing webhook, simply double click onto this and repeat the same steps as we did, and you will be able to add the response headers for your webhook in your n8n workflow. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.